Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to check if a string is pangram or not. So let's start this with the program. Here in the first line, this line imports the string module which provides constant and utility functions. Specially, string.ascii lowercase is used to get all lowercase English alphabet as a string. Now here in the next line, this defines a function isPangram that takes a string as input and determines whether it is a pangram. Now in the next line here, this is a docstring that documents the purpose, argument and return value of the function. It helps others to understand the code's intent. Now moving on to the next line here, this converts the lowercase English alphabets into a set for easy comparison. Now, why this converts to set? So, sets are unordered collection of unique items, making it easy to perform operations like checking subsets. Now, we'll see the next line. Here in the next line, this iterates through each character in the input string and sentence. This converts each alphabetic character to lowercase using char.lower and filters out non-alphabetical characters using char.isalpha. This collects the resulting lowercase letters into a set, and a set is a unique lowercase alphabetic characters found in the input sentence. Now we'll see the next line, as this checks if the alphabet set is a subset of letter in sentence, and here subset operator returns true if every letter in alphabet exists in letter in sentence. Now we will see the main program of the code, as this block ensures the following code runs only if the script is executed directly, not if it is imported as a module in another program. Now in the next line here, this prompts the user to enter a sentence and stores it in the variable input sentence. Now in the next line here, this calls the isPangram function with the user input. If the function returns true, prints that the sentence is a pangram, otherwise it prints the sentence is not pangram. So let's check this program. As we need to enter a sentence, so I am entering a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Hence, this sentence is pangram. We can check another with another sentence, as I am entering a boy lives here. So we can check this program, as this sentence is not pangram. So thanks for watching this video.